So my buddy Joey was at a family Italian restaurant the other day, and they served this dish that he was telling me about. So I was like, man, that sounds so good. I got to make it. So what we're going to do is get 1 pound of hot Italian sausage. If you don't like heat, use mild. I've got it in my cast iron skillet, and I've got that amazing ground beef mashing tool. It works amazing. So we're going to cook that sausage down, and once it's all cooked up, we're going to set that sausage aside. Then we're going to get out our made-in saucepan. This thing is amazing. Another great tool. Cleans up great, cooks great, even heat. Love it. Anyways, we're going to make risotto. And every risotto is going to be a little different depending on what package you buy. So just follow the instructions on the package. For me, it's 1 cup of boiling water, 2 tablespoons of butter melted into that water. And then we add the risotto. Stir for 1 minute. Then we're going to set on low, put the lid on it, let it sit for 18 minutes, and just let it cook. And while that's cooking, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. Tell your friends and family all about the show. Every Wednesday, every Sunday, I put out a new show. So it's awesome if you could hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. Appreciate it. Next, we got a block of Brie cheese. I've got triple cream here. I'm going to cut the rinds off, and then I'm just going to make nice little squares of the Brie, just that when we put it in with the risotto and the sausage, it'll melt faster. You can use any Brie you like. I just happen to pick up the triple cream. I'm telling you, this recipe is so fulfilling. It is so rich and filling. Comfort food, that's what I was looking for. Definitely comfort food. Anyways, so we got the Brie chopped up into little cubes. Now we're going to go back to our risotto. That should be just about done. Let's take the lid off, take a peek. Yep, so now it's time to add our sausage. Just going to add that right on top and then gently fold it into the risotto. Just like that. Beautiful. You can make this as a meal, a side dish, an appetizer, anything. It's so good. Next, we're going to add our Brie right on top. And then we'll put the lid on for about 4 or 5 more minutes. Then we'll come back and we'll fold that Brie into the sausage and risotto. We'll serve it up on a plate, and you have an amazing, delicious dish that probably not too many people have ever heard of before. But once you make it once, you're going to make it again. I'm telling you, that's how good it is. Even the kids are going to love this one. So make this, enjoy it, and we will see you on the next video. And remember, every Wednesday, every Sunday, check back with me. I'll have something new for you. All right, take care, and we'll see you on the next one.